Hello everyone, this is Selena.
This is Helly.
We are close friends, global 친구.
Today we will be teaching you how to express your emotions in Korean. Yay! So we will go through 11 commonly used expressions, and then all you need to do is drop the yo for the informal way to express them. So we will be teaching you the formal way first. Let's go! I'm happy.
행복해요. 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 행복해. 행복해. 행복해.
I'm excited.
신나요. 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 신나. 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 예!
I'm annoyed.
짜증나요. 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 짜증나. 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 짜증나.
I'm bored.
심심해요. 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 심심해. 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 심심해.
I'm tired.
피곤해요. 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 피곤해. 피곤해. 피곤해.
I'm sad.
슬퍼요. 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 슬퍼. 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 슬퍼.
I'm frustrated.
답답해요. 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 답답해. 답답해. 답답해.
I'm embarrassed.
창피해요. 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 창피해. 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 창피해.
I'm scared.
무서워요. 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 무서워. 무서워. 무서워.
I'm angry.
화가 나요. 화가 나요. 화가 나요. 화가 나요. 화가 나요. 화가 나. 화가 나. 화가 나. 화가 나. 화가 나.
I'm anxious.
초조해요. 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 초조해. 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 초조해.
I'm surprised.
놀랐어요. 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 놀랐어. 놀랐어. 놀랐어.
So, how are you guys feeling today?
신나요. 예! 신나요. 신나요.
Leave your answer in the comments below.
In Korean, in Korean.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to our videos.
좋아요와 구독을 눌러주세요. 그러면 다음에 봐요. See you later.
Bye.
Bye.